Hi everyone. My name is Vishnu Naraki Vijayakumar. My metric number B3032310102. So today I'm going to present about gadget ordering system. So my part is login and sign up. So I'm going to explain about the coding. First of all, find the UI element from login XML that initialize them and initialize the data help to interact with the database. For the login button, click event, this retrieve user input and cleans unnecessary space and ensure data is properly formatted before processing and prevent empty input fields, display a message if field left blank. And for checking user credit list, that's called check user in database Java to validate login credentials and return true if the username password exceed the database. For retrieve user role, fetch the user role admin or user for the database. For redirecting the correct dashboard, admin user send to admin dashboard activity and regular user go to home activity. For passing to next screen, we use store user information send to the next screen and close login activity to prevent user from going back using back button. For navigation to sign up and screen to sign up screen, allow user to navigate to sign up screen if they not have the account. For now, I'm going to explain the sign up coding. So for initialize view the database, for interest database helper to interact the database. For create button click event, it's retrieve user input, ensure formatting is correct. For input validation, prevents user for submitting empty fields. Password match check, ensure the password and confirmation matching. For insert the user data into a database called insert user bracket in database helper Java to store new user. For handling successful registration, display the success message, redirect user to login screen. For handling registration failure, if insert fail, the error message is shown. For navigation back to login screen, allow user go back to login screen if they already have account. So now I'm going to show the demo. So now we're going to create the account first before login for the regular user. Tamil@gmail.com for the email password, for email. For the password, so now we're going to login after create the account. That's all my part. Next, I will pass to my teammate.
Hi, my name is Jivita. My metric number is B0323100009. For my part, when the user login, it will navigate to the home page where user can see the products available. The database helper class is initialized to interact with the database. For example, we can see in this line. And then for fetching the product, the load product from database method fetches the list of the product from the database. And for the recycler view, it is set up to display the products in a list format, for example, like this one. And then for product adapter, it binds the product data to the recycler view, rendering each product as a list item. And for the display product, if no product is available, it will show as no products available. For example, we can see over here, this line. If the product is empty, it will show the no products available text. And for the next part, we can see over here that just now Tamil@gmail.com login. So it will show which email that logged in. The login user is retrieved from the intent passed to this activity. And for card manager, it is initialized and the current user's card is loaded. For example, if we can see over here, there is a card option, and Tamil@gmail.com can view their product that already added into the cart. And for the quantity, it is used to store and track the quantities of each product in the cart to avoid duplicates. And the load cart items method is called to load and display the cart items. And each product in the cart item is listed, added to the UI. Oops. uh, Okay, so once Tamil@gmail.com add the product into cart, it's successfully added. And if they added the same product again, the quantity will update here to avoid duplicate products is added. And user can delete the product also from the cart, and the subtotal will update by itself. And for the next part, I will just to Pavi.
Right, thank you, Jita. So from the payment, I'll be explaining about it. So can you open the payment activity? Yeah. So this is the code for the payment section. So as we can see there, we have a onCreate method to call the activity. So in the activity, it will retrieve and display the order details such as subtotal and also the total quantity, and it will calculate and it will show the overall total quantity to proceed to the payment. So for the payment handling, there's a section. So we have given the pay button uh, to ensure the payment is being function, and it will, once the payment button is clicked, it will retrieve the selected payment method and process the order using the loop through the cart items and insert each into the database. So after process that thing, it will clear the cart and navigate to the home and to order the confirmation activity. So Jita, can you click the pay button? As I said just now, it will show the deliver address and also the shopping list. The whatever we choose just now, the items, it will calculate the total and will show the subtotal then, and it will show the checkout button. So once we check out, it will proceed to the payment. So once we click the checkout button, it will proceed to the another user interface where it will show the payment, the order summary, where it will show the subtotal and also the total quantity of the items. And there we have to choose the payment method. As we see there, we have chosen the credit and debit card method. So once we choose the payment method, we can click the pay now button. So as I said, the payment handling before in the coding there. So once we click the pay now button, it will redirect to the home page or also the order confirmation activity. So that's all for my part. Now I'll pass it to my teammate Khairul to continue about this project.
Next is about user order. Open the user order activity. Okay. First, we set up a recycler view to display all the user order, and we use linear layout manager to set up the list in a vertical format. And then we use load user order method to fetch the user order from the database with the using the login username, and we will display the order we will pass the order to order adapter to display the order. Also we have a button back navigation to navigate back to the home activity. Next is okay. Next is admin for admin dashboard. So this is where the admin can see all order and update the status like processing, ship, and delivery cancel. First, we setting up a recycler view to display all order, and then we click on order. There will be a pop-up. We click on the update status. There will be a pop-up message that show pending, ship, or delivery. The admin can choose to update the order status. And then there is a logout button for admin. Yeah.
For the add product part, this method inserts a new product into the products table, including the product's name, price, and image. Wait for a minute. And once the admin inserts new product, it will convert bitmap to bit array. The method get bitmap by byte array is used to convert the image into a byte array so that it can be stored in the database as block. So for the third method, insert data in database, the insert method is called to insert the product data in products table. If the insert is successful, it returns a positive value. Otherwise, it will show a negative value, which is means that it's failure. So now I will show the demo for the insert image part. So once the image is selected, admin have to click the add button. Once the product added successfully, new users can view the image on the homepage part. This is the new image that admin added just now. That's all from us. Thank you.